Hello everybody, I hope you're all well. Welcome to Unlimited Chinese with Waleed. If you want to learn Chinese language and especially preparation of HSK exams, so watch this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Today I discuss about the word can. So let's start. How to write the word can in Chinese pinyin. And how to pronounce the word can in Chinese language. Nang. Say again. Nang. So let's start character writing. How to write the word nang in Chinese character. So let's start. Stroke 1, stroke 2, stroke 3, stroke 4, stroke 5, stroke 6, stroke 7, stroke 8, stroke 9, stroke 10, stroke 11, and the last stroke is stroke 12. How to use the word nang in a Chinese sentence? So let's start. 我 能 肯 点是吗? The word 我 means I, and the word 能 means can, and the word 肯 means watch or look, and the word 电视 means television. And the last word ma indicates a yes or no question. Add it to a statement. 我能看电视吗 means can I watch TV or television? 我能看电视吗 Can I watch TV or television? I hope this video is very useful for you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.